All right, so it's live, it's official. Yes, it is live, it is running. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Shibarium. Obviously, we had a couple of false starts, but we are live. It's been double, triple, quadruple checked. So we're up, we're running. I didn't want any of you guys slamming me in the comments like, it's not live, it's not, because I literally was like, I don't want to do this video because what if it's not live? What if it's, not quite in public, mainnet mode? But no, Shibarium's up and running, hitting new milestones, 100,000 wallets, 21 million million staked, looking good there. What's the point of having your own layer 2 blockchain? Well, for us, for Shiba Inu, it's obviously a big part of it is the burning of Shiba Inu tokens, which we don't have any real visibility or clarity into. Yeah, we will, obviously, as we're moving. But it's going to become the heart of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. All of the major components of SHIB will run on top of it. The metaverse, Shiba Swap, etc. Right? For us, it's lower fees. Obviously, when you have your own layer 2, you significantly cut down on transactional fees, gas fees, Ethereum gas fees, things of that nature. You have, you control your speeds, things of that nature. The transaction per second, I've heard, is going to be about 100,000, which is crazy considering that Ethereum is less than 20, to give you some perspective. So it is going to be lightning fast, which is another reason that a lot of projects will want to launch on top of it. And there are projects launching on top of it, we know, right? We have SHIB2, we have Sharby, we have, there's a ton of projects that are going to be launching on top of, the Shibarium, obviously, layer 2 blockchain. Okay, so everything's looking good. I'll be around today, just kind of in and out. So if there's anything breaking news, I'll let you guys know. I'll see you.